Yeah, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Yeah, today I'll be taking you on how to use the monochromatic color to create a flyer on your phone. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. Yeah, so what we are going to do, don't forget that I said in my last video when we were talking about the color theory that monochromatic is the act of taking a pure color, which is the hue, to create an element, from using shades and tints of that hue. So what I mean is this. So this is what we are going to be using. Let's create an hue, a pure color, and hue is a pure color. So let's come here and just, although I should have just created these and before I start the video, but just let's see, maybe we just want to use this. Let's use this. Yeah, once you use this as the pure color. Yeah, once you use that's a pure color. Every color you see here are pure color. So once you use that, so we just to whatever shape, and then so you can just bring it down. So click this copy and bring it down. Copy and bring it down. So and what you will do next is go to this color on it. This was let's pick the color that we choose. This was the color that we choose. You click that color. I think that was the color we chose. Yeah, the color we chose. Yeah. So and then you click this plus. Click that plus, and we want to do the shade aspect. So don't forget that when we were talking about the shade, we were talking about the dark, adding dark to your hue. So we want to add dark to the hue. So we just kind of bring it down a bit. See, like there's something around here. So you see that the color is different from that one. It's getting more dark. So what you do next is click the mark and create a duplicate copy. Bring it down. So go to color again. Click that. Bring that one down again. Down again. See, so it's more dark. Bring it down. So you can see. So create a duplicate and I want to create at least 4 is okay. So I will click the plus again and bring it down. Let's stop around there. Yeah, so this is the shade. So this is the hue here, the pure color, and the dark, more dark, more dark. So that's it. So that is the shade. Then we want to do for the tint. Click this color, the pure color, and then you just copy it, put that there. That's good. So you copy it again, because that is the pure color. So we want to choose the tint. We want to do the tint, so we just go to and just go to color and change our color. You find that color, that pure color which you choose in the first place is what we are going to choose back, and this is it. It is after this yellow, so that is the color we choose. So you see, so you click the plus, and this is the this side, the the lines you are seeing above this area is where the tint is. So that is where the tint is. So you just zoom it. You are bringing it to that white. Yeah, you click OK. Yeah, so you duplicate it and you just go to color again, click the plus, bring it down, it's okay. With a duplicate again, copy, down to down, duplicate, color, white. Yeah, so this is the tint. You see, you can just try and change this. At least let's try and change that area. And try and change this. Just to, yeah, you can see adding more. It's just like adding white to it. We can still continue before we. So that is just, this is the shade and the tint. That is what we want to use. So we are going to use this pure color, and probably maybe we are going to use the shade also and the tint. But so let's just merge them together by clicking this. So you just click this one. I see this. So let me go back, let me show you what I click. So I click this, you can see that. So, and you select everything, so you select everything, and you click this one in the middle to merge them together. Are you sure you want to merge? Okay, so we have that. So having done that, I just leave that. So you can just lock it and off it. So next thing we want to do is to change our color. Change your color. So we want to change the background color. We want to change it. So you pick your color. You want to pick color. So let me show you what I did. So once you click, let me show you where I come. So I click this place that you are seeing, and I click color. It should be on this color. I press the plus and I click this pencil above. I want to select the color, so I click this pencil. Then I choose the layer of that color which we created. This choose it. So I pick my pure color. Pick my pure color of the two. I pick it. You can pick this and you can pick this. I pick this. So, and that is it. Okay, you can see we've changed the background. So you press OK. So the next thing we want to do is to bring our image. So we come to import. Yeah, we come to this place and we click import, and yeah, this is what we want to use. Yeah, this image I downloaded it from Google. It already has a shadow, so we won't have to make take our time in creating shadows. But if you want me to take you on how to create shadows, you can just tell me, so we can just, this is a simple flyer that we just want to create. Yeah, so I think that is it. So you can just bring it to the middle, click it and bring it to the middle. You come to this relative position and you click this. Once you click this, it stays at the middle. So I see it stays at the middle. So that's it. So the next thing is just to go with our text. So one thing about text is most graphics designers don't know about this is they usually follows the trend of what they see online, but they don't know a flyer. At least a professional flyer must have, I believe a professional flyer should not have more than two alignments lines. Like, shouldn't have more than that, or at least two. Maximum of two is okay. So maximum of two is okay for your line. So you just know how to set it and start it from here and start your line from that area. Give it, yeah. So you can see I put the reason I click here, this is what I clicked, this. Then I click this to draw the line, so to bring the line to the position where I want it to be. So which means that our text will start from this place, it won't go beyond this line. So we lock it by pressing this thing that look like magnet, that looks like U. Lock it. So we click this back again. So we pick our, come to this A and we pick our text. We just write, then I want to write, edit it. Just write, we do you need, just to put it. So you can just bring it down there and just bring it here. Sorry, I did not. You always lock your layer so that it won't affect your work. So just put it there. Yeah, so we want to change that font. Come to fonts, whatever font, and make sure the mistake some people usually make is that they usually can pack their flyer with fonts. You use this font, in fact you can I love using one font, at least one or two, for my phone, for my flyers or design. So let's use this Gotham bold. I love it. of it, but we don't want the color to be white. So what we do is we just come to color. That is how to blend in your text with the background. So you come to color and you just click this. You can click, you can actually click this, the color of the main background, and actually click it. So you decide on which, if you want to go for maybe the shade, you want to blend your color to the shade area. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see. You can see this is not good, so go back, click it, so we edit, even though it's okay, but no, sorry, color, go to color, and then you just turn it back, and just let's see. See, it's around this tint, let's see. Which tint is still okay, but we can still increase it. So look that, come to color, can still increase it, just still increase it. This is okay. This is okay. So you can make a duplicate of your text by copy it, edit, and then just write. So I'll bring that one down just to align it. Do you need it right? So, and in case you just want to change, probably you want to change the right, just edit it. I don't want to take you on that. I would have loved to bring you to what is it, gradient, but let's see. Edit, just leave it at this A. So leave it like that, copy that, edit, write it to right, then okay, bring that down. Sorry, I don't have a small hand. My hands are big. That is why I actually don't like using phone. In case maybe you are facing the same something as me, you can just use this positioning. So you can change the color this time around. You can just reduce it and use the shade this time, or probably pick the color, select this car, think, and still go for something around the car. Still go something around the car. Can you see? Just to showcase, that is why you are a graphic designer. So that is it. It's a visual communicator. A graphic designer is a visual communicator. You want to communicate your ideas. So you click that. I think we have to position it, so reduce so that your movement won't be too so that it won't go forward, so that is why you move the power of the movement. So lock your layer. It's okay. So what you want to do is merge it again, like I've showed you how to do that. Merge everything together. And just zoom it in. So you may decide, for where I write do you need, you can just decide to make it a little bit more whitish if you want that. Do you need? Alright, so we forgot to add one more thing to it before we merge it, and that is the question mark. So we go back, question mark, and edit this right, edit it and add question mark to it. So that is it. So you just click it and merge them together. So and then you just, so we zoom it and just you need right. Yeah, so that's it. Click anywhere and just let us just write the main text, and that will be all. And just bring and just say visit. Okay, let's bring our text. Alright, edit it, edit. Alright, visit or sign up. Do the font. The font. So let's pick our font. Just depend on the font. Let's check my example. I'm still going to take you on how to add fonts to your. Let's check this. Is this okay? No, I don't want that. Yes, I'm not the type that love to use What about this nervous? English is not bad. I see why. I like using this is why I like using texture, line rather. This is why I like using line. So sign up. So you change the color. The color, yeah. So and change it to see, sign up, and the thing is just can just bring that one down, bring it down, bring the positioning down. Yeah, yeah. So if it were to be other people, maybe other graphic designer, they might bring the sign up around this side. Let me lock it so I can press. And you can bring, they might be bringing it here, just which is not okay. So you can change the line. You can change the line and to bring it. It is good to maintain one line. It beautify your work. So, well, if you have any other probably a a material resources that you want to add, you can just bring it in even before you add the car and reduce the opacity. But at times you don't even really need that. This, so far, your flyer, your design, your content is informative. The car has already shown what you are trying to communicate, so it's not necessary you jam pack. At times you don't even need to add anything, you just need to know how to work out your things. So now, so you sign up and then you pick another test. Sure, I did that. www.uber.com. Yeah. So let's even see. Instead of we doing that, why not let's delete this and see. I'll probably add it to that side. Let's edit it and let's write www.uber.com. That is how you just check. Yeah. So you can just leave that way. So that's it. Then you can just decide to bring it down and then lock it. Let's bring our logo, Uber logo. I think I have it here, and download it on. This is what we want to use. I'll just put that here. So I have a big hand, so my hands hurt. So just write. I just write Uber I pick a text, just write, edit it, and just write over. Just write whatever. Override. Just write it. Change the font. And don't forget that the context is just to show you the color. So you can just pick how to use the color. The context of this is just to show you how to use the color. So reduce the size of the brush of the text. Reduce the size of the text. So then just let's do that. Let's position it. Yeah, we can just raise it up. Alright. Yeah. So let's see if we can just add something, probably a car background to or a transport background to this picture. So I decide to change this font, this sign up ww. I try to change it to this font called, should be on your phone, the Newton regular. Yeah, I'm okay with this. So I also decide to import this image. Instead of using a transport pattern, I decided to use a pattern. I downloaded it from Google and I reduced the opacity. And let's see. So try hold this side and see where my you can see, hold it and bring it down, drag it down. Yeah, so you can go back to the opacity, and reduce it. Yeah, so you can decide to just if you decide to increase this, sorry, don't forget to always lock your layer. You can just decide to you will unlock it if you want to change the size, and just decide to maybe you want to make it more bold for people to see. But that is not necessary. So still visible that way. Yeah, so that's that about that. And the next thing you just want to do is come to the car here, and just you want to bring the car down a bit. Yeah, bring the car down a bit. Yeah, that's it. That will be all about that. If there were to be any tests, maybe it's because the main content is not to do a flower, it's just to show you how to blend in the color, how to use our color, to use the hue color with the tint and the shade. You can see this is the, I try to use a shade here, and I try to use a shade here by clicking a part of that car. And if you don't use a part of that car to pick your, the ride, you can see the ride color is different, the ride text is different from the color on the something. So you can just, if in case you want to choose color, you can just choose from the shade also. This one, I just choose here. Let's try and raise this up, and just choose anyone around this area, like this one that I'm selecting this. Sorry, let's lock this. So you can just choose this, choose that, choose this, and it will blend in. It will still blend in. In fact, I should have used that instead of this that I use. So, and you have a nice, beautiful design. So that's that about that. So join me in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll be willing to read your comments. Bye.